Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing Kraft mac and cheese, the original. We've got everything that we need assembled here. Of course, your mac and cheese, we're going to need some water, so make sure you have a measuring cup for your water, a strainer, or colander, whatever you'd like to call it. We're gonna need 1/4 cup butter and 1/4 cup milk, and then a saucepan, and then whatever utensils you would like to use to stir this up with. First thing that we need to do is get our pot of water boiling. Let's get that on, turn it on high heat, and get in 6 cups of water. Now we've got the water in our pot. We're gonna let that just sit and come to a boil. While we wait for that though, I will tell you that the 6 cups of water is a suggestion. You don't need 6 cups, you could use 8 cups, 10 cups, 12, probably 4. It really doesn't matter as long as there's enough water to boil your noodles in and cook them. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it's been about 4 minutes and we are at a good boil here. So now we're gonna take our Kraft mac and cheese, open it up. Inside, you've got your noodles and your little packet. Take out your packet of cheese sauce, set it aside, throw your noodles in the pot. Give them a little stir. We are gonna let these boil for about 7 to 8 minutes, and we're gonna stir every couple minutes. All right, it has been about 7 minutes and my noodles are definitely looking done. They are plumped up and there appears to be no hard sections in them still. So we're gonna turn our heat off and then we need to go drain this. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. Now we're gonna let those sit for a minute and come back to the stove with our pot. All right, heat is still off. I'm gonna put in my butter and the milk. Now we're gonna stir these together. All right, our butter is melted into our milk. Now we're gonna take our cheese sauce pouch, rip it open, dump it in. Here's why I use the whisk. I do this to make sure that it's not going to have as many clumps as it would if you, number one, used a regular spoon, and we're also doing this separately from the noodles because having the noodles in there makes it a little bit clumpy whenever you're trying to mix all this up really well. All right, that's mostly incorporated. We're gonna toss our noodles in. It helps if you spill some on the stove while you're at it, but that's just optional. Now that we have stirred all of this up, we have got mac and cheese that is free of little cheese dust clumps. So there we have it. This is our completed Kraft macaroni and cheese. I hope that this video helped you guys figure out how to navigate the kitchen a little bit easier. If you would like to navigate the grocery store a little bit easier, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we review everyday grocery items and tell you if we would buy them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.